MCQ.
Ma'am, your voice is echoing, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Now it is clear.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Wait. Today we are going to read letters of inquiry. Already two types of letters we completed, letter to editor and letter of complaint. Am I right, children? Today we are going with inquiry letter. What do you mean by inquiry? What do you mean by inquiry?
Inquiring something others.
I'm asking.
Yes, to get some information. Getting information, some people or some officers or some other resources is known as inquiry letter. Already I told you how to start a letter to editor, how to start a letter of complaint. So in inquiry letter, 8 components are same. Already I told you that there are 8 components for letters. So that 8 components are same. What are the 8 components of a letter? What are the 8 components of a letter?
Ma'am,
Sender's address, date and day, and receiver's address,
Subject of the letter,
subject,
body of the letter,
salutation,
salutation,
subject,
body of the letter.
Sherry, I will ask one people. I cannot hear it properly. Swati, say Swati. What are the 8 components of a letter? Formal letter. Swati, am I audible? Put your hands down, everyone. Say Swati.
Sender's address,
Ah,
date,
ah,
receiver's address,
ah. That is sender's address without name. That full sentence you have to say. Okay.
yes ma'am.
Ah,
Sender's address without name, date, receiver's address, subject of the letter, salutation, body of the letter,
ah.
complimentary clause, signature.
Very good, very good. So the same is for inquiry letter also. What are the 8 components that only we have for this inquiry letter also? But a letter or little bit difference is there. In inquiry letter, we have to give a reference. Suppose if it is about a course, how you know about the course? If you want to plan about a yoga course, on the day you saw one advertisement in the newspaper regarding the yoga classes, that you can write as an reference. So first paragraph, already we know that it is an introductory paragraph. In that introductory paragraph, you should mention that how you know about the particular thing. Suppose if your friends are said to, maybe your friends informed you, or you saw the advertisement in channels, or you saw the advertisement in newspaper, or somebody referred to you. So in that cases, you can mention first the important thing of inquiry letter is reference. Got it, children? So we can write one inquiry letter. Take your subject enrichment note, everyone. How many complaint letter completed?
Ma'am, 4 ma'am.
Any idea? Okay. Next heading, you write letters of inquiry. Letters of inquiry. Letters of inquiry. Show your classwork, children. Open the video and show your classwork, children. Jayasree Ji only I can see. What about others? Show your class. Divya Darshan, Navaneet, Lohit, Inika. Today's page you write, children. Today's date you write and write the heading enquiry letter. Okay, fine. Put your hands down, everyone. Put your hands down. Yesterday's MCQ after the class I want. Otherwise, I will call your parents. I know everybody is all the parents' phone number I have. I call your phone parents and I will inform you. Put your hands down, everyone. Nitin Raj on hold. Very VIP. So start to write, children. So here we can see you are Raj Kumar, a resident of 45 Sector 4, Adepuram, New Delhi. You are interested in joining the course in Communication Skills advertised by Allied School of Language, South Extension 2nd. Write a letter of inquiry for the same. What is the first component of the letter? Sender's address without name. What is this letter is about? Suppose you are so and so given there. You saw an advertisement in the newspaper about the communication skill course conducted by Allied, advertised by Allied School of Language. So you are interested to join the course. For that you are going to ask some information from the school authorities. So what is the first component of the letter?
Ma'am, send us at the address without name.
A sender's address without name. Write the question first. Dayanidhi is in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, this is first question or fourth question, ma'am?
Fourth was this question what I am showing you, right? Prabhudev is in the class. Prabhudev. Nitin Dash. Completed children question. Wait, I will show you. First sender's address without name. 45 comma sector 4 in one line you write. Okay children, that is a one line address, so you can write it as a one line. Sector 4, then afterwards no need comma, then you write as a next line RK Puram, New Delhi. So next date 12th August 2000 XX. Day, month plus 20XX. Next, the director, Allied School of Language, South Extension 2, that is the receiver's address. Next, what is next? Next is receiver's address with the designation. Next one is subject. Each and every component you have to leave one line. Next one, subject enquiry about course in communication skill. Where are you? Completed children's up to subject. Next, see next is the content of the letter. First paragraph, how to mention the reference. So where you saw about this communication skill, you saw in details and advertisement in the newspaper. So that is given here as an introduction. This refers to your advertisement in the Times of India dated 10th August, announcing August 2, 2006, announcing the new course in communication skills. That yellowish color what I have given is the reference. So you have to mention the reference for your enquiry letter. Completed first paragraph, children. Then come to the next paragraph. First paragraph, after the introduction, you see this refers to your advertisement in the Times of India dated 10th August 2006 announcing the new course in communication skills that is you are intelligence and plan to take up a part-time as a customer care executive consider. For this I shall need to improve my communication skills and would appreciate it if you could forward me the details of the course. Completed, children?
No, ma'am.
Write fast, children, write fast. Which paragraph going on now?
I'm second paragraph, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Do it fast, children, do it fast.